Wanna know how to handle file input or output in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. So in this short code, it creates a file and writes hello in it. So first things first, we simply use FileWriter from Java's IO package. So right here, we can just simply see the java.io that has been imported. Then we create the writer and give it a file name node.txt. So this is just a demonstration. And then we use a .write method to insert text, and always remember to call .close method, which saves and closes file. So you can see right here .close. And if this file doesn't exist, Java creates it for you, and if it already exists, it replaces it with content. So you can open the file. FileReader and you'll see hello written inside. And that's it. This is the simplest way to write data into a file. And this is the start of logging, saving user info, or creating reports in Java. Just make sure to handle exceptions properly while you're doing real-world writing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.